iQOO continues its impressive streak in the performance-driven smartphone market with the launch of the iQOO Neo 10 Pro Plus, a device that strikes a remarkable balance between flagship-grade specs and budget-friendly pricing. Boasting the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite chipset, a stunning 2K AMOLED display, and a massive 6,800 mAh battery, this phone is set to be one of the most compelling high-performance smartphones of 2025. From the first glance, the iQOO Neo 10 Pro Plus captivates with its modern and youthful design, inspired by flagship aesthetics. The matte glass back not only adds elegance but also serves a practical purpose, resisting fingerprints and sweat while offering a comfortable grip. The camera module is placed vertically in a rectangular housing at the top left corner, neatly organized with the Neo logo below, and the LED flash on the right. This layout not only looks clean, but also contributes to the overall slim and streamlined profile of the phone. One of the most talked about design elements is the Super Pixel Blue colorway, featuring intricate patterns that reflect light in dynamic ways. Black and white variants are expected to be available at launch, offering options for both vibrant and minimalistic style preferences. The iQOO Neo 10 Pro Plus features a 6.82-inch flat AMOLED display with a crisp 2K resolution, delivering razor-sharp visuals and deep contrast. The display supports a 144 Hz refresh rate, making every swipe, scroll, and animation incredibly fluid, ideal for gamers and multimedia lovers alike. The panel peaks at 1,800 nits under normal conditions, and can reach up to a blazing 4,500 nits in high brightness mode. This ensures optimal visibility even under direct sunlight. Underneath the screen sits a high-positioned ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, allowing for quick and ergonomic unlocking. In terms of imaging, the iQOO Neo 10 Pro Plus adopts a dual-camera setup on the rear, a 50 megapixels primary sensor with optical image stabilization (OIS), a 50 megapixels ultra-wide-angle lens. On the front, users get a 16 megapixels selfie camera with f2.5 aperture and OIS, a rare feature for front-facing cameras. The phone supports up to 8K video recording at 30 fps, as well as modes like Portrait, Night, and Pro mode, offering flexibility for both casual users and photography enthusiasts. At the heart of the iQOO Neo 10 Pro Plus is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite chip, Qualcomm's latest 3nm flagship society. In benchmark tests, the device achieved a jaw-dropping AnTuTu score exceeding 3 million points, positioning it among the most powerful smartphones currently available. To manage this performance, iQOO integrates its IceVault BC 7000mm cooling system, which offers 15% better thermal efficiency compared to previous models. Even under intensive gaming or multitasking, the phone remains cool and responsive. The Neo 10 Pro Plus comes in multiple configurations, with the highest-end model featuring a whopping 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 1 TB of UFS 4.1 storage. This guarantees seamless multitasking, blazing fast data access, and future-proof capacity for apps, games, and media. Additionally, iQOO includes its in-house Q2 gaming chip, enhancing frame stability, response time, and overall in-game performance through intelligent algorithms and hardware acceleration. One of the standout features of the iQOO Neo 10 Pro Plus is its massive 6,800 mAh battery, a rare capacity in the world of performance smartphones. On a full charge, the device can easily last 12 days, with regular use or 1,012 hours of screen-on time for heavy users. Despite the huge battery, the phone supports 120W ultra-fast wired charging, capable of charging the device to full in under 30 minutes. Moreover, it supports PPS charging protocol and is compatible with third-party chargers up to 100W, giving users flexibility in power accessories. A dedicated charging mode for gaming helps maintain battery health while keeping performance consistent during long play sessions. Another nod to its gamer-centric design. iQOO's custom UI, based on Android 15, is optimized for both performance and energy efficiency. The interface is smooth, clutter-free, and enhanced with gaming utilities that include performance monitoring, real-time stats, and blocking distractions while in-game. Although exact software features are still being rolled out, iQOO has emphasized improved thermal control, system stability, and AI-driven optimization for battery usage and app prioritization. The iQOO Neo 10 Pro Plus stands out as one of the most well-rounded flagship killers of 2025. It offers top-tier performance with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite, gorgeous 144Hz AMOLED display with extreme brightness, large 6800 mAh battery and ultra-fast 120W charging. Premium design with flagship build quality, competitive dual-camera setup with 8K video, flexible configurations up to 16GB RAM and 1TB storage. With all these features packed into a sleek, stylish frame, the iQOO Neo 10 Pro Plus is perfect for power users, gamers, and anyone seeking flagship-level hardware without the flagship-level price tag. If you're on the hunt for a high-performance Android phone that won't break the bank, the Neo 10 Pro Plus is one of the smartest choices you can make in 2025.